Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I'm super excited today to share with you Uber's new bonus program for drivers that I want to share with you guys. I just got it in my email and I'm really excited to share with you guys. And I want to hear from you. What bonuses are you getting from Uber? So please thumbs up the video. So here we have it, guys. I just got this notification today at 10:42 a.m. It says Uber to Dylan. Make $200 when you complete 5 trips in Orange County and offer expires soon. I want to hear from you guys. So this is actually just a bonus that they're offering me just for completing 5 trips. And just doing some simple, quick math here. That's 200 divided by 5. That's an extra $40 per ride if I do 5 trips total. So you can make extra money with this promotion, but hurry, offer expires soon. We're offering a promotion that may help you earn more if you choose to drive before the weekend. This offer is in addition to any other promotion you may be eligible for. You can see your latest offer is in the promotion section of the driver app. So again, this is not a guaranteed rate. It's even guaranteed 40 bucks per ride. I would take it. This isn't on top of it. So if you're already making 10 bucks, 15 bucks a ride, let's just say really quickly, you're doing 10 bucks a ride, 15 bucks a ride, for instance, let's say 15 times 5, that's 75, plus that 200, you're looking at 275. If I can do 5 rides within, 1.5 hours, let's say, divide that by 1.5, that's $183 per hour, which is absolutely insane. It says wear your mask. Uber requires driver and delivery people to wear a mask throughout their trip or delivery, even when vaccinated. This offer is only valid for drivers who received it directly from Uber. I'm so excited because I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna go out and drive because I still have a couple more days to complete it, and I think I'm gonna vlog it. So I want to hear from you guys. Are you getting these awesome bonuses? And yeah, again, thanks for watching. You guys are great. Check out the links below. There is another service called OCTOPUS, which is paying drivers an additional 100 bucks extra, up to 100 bucks extra per month to install a tablet. When you use our code, you do get that free tablet. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.